vlog. How's everyone doing? I am starting recording today. So today is April 10th. It's April 10th and I'm actually having a huge headache now. It is 6 p.m. I did have a breakfast. Basically it was just butter, bread, butter, cheese, and some meat bologna thing. So guys, and I'm just gonna take this. This is a medication I told by the doctor to take when I have migraines, and I'm actually having a huge migraine right now. It started slowly, but now it's like my head is hurting so much. So they're just blue colored. So my kitty, Rex, he's turning 9 months 2 days from now. So his birthday July 12th, and he is gonna be 9 months. And he's just very curious about the medications. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what I made the breakfast from, and right now I'm just gonna try to see if my headaches go away, and then meantime I'm gonna edit some vlog or not, just sit down. So I'm gonna show you what I had for breakfast, what I'm having for like lunch and dinner kind of type. It's 6 p.m. so my head is about to explode. And it is warming up here. It's actually right now it's 12 degrees in Celsius, and so there is last snow laying on the ground. The snow is almost gone, but it is sad, but what can we do? So it is 53 degrees guys, Fahrenheit. So currently here, so basically it might not be as hot, like warm, but it feels warm. So it feels warmer than it was for the last 3 months. And I did like it that cold, so warming up here I'm not too happy about. But the spring is coming, so and the summer is not far from there, and that's life. So I can't wait for the next winter already, because it is coming to the end here so far. So yeah guys, I'm gonna wait until my headache goes away. I actually do get sometimes really bad headaches, and they're like migraines. They get really bad, so I do get nauseous, my head is hurting. There's another thing I use here for headache, and I may use it. But anyways guys, I'm gonna show you that thing and what I had for breakfast and what I'm gonna eat. And I hope you guys enjoy my vlog and enjoy your lives as well. I hope everybody's doing well and happy. Guys, I'll see you. Alright guys, so this is what I use here. It's almost gone, guys. It's almost gone. But this is called ZVEZDOCHKA. So I just put it. I'll show you how I put it to help it cure my headache / migraine, which is turning into a real migraine. So guys, I'm having this for dinner. It's pasta and it's chicken made with some spices, and it was just stewed on here. We made it like a few hours ago, maybe like 3-4 hours ago, but I'm just now eating. And there's some pasta here, and this is just regular pasta, and I put butter after I cooked it to mix it up. And this is the spices my mom put in chicken. It's just it's like a spices for chicken grill with paprika. There's also some ground pepper, and this spices for the meat, ground meat. And my mom cooked it a little bit for like 5 minutes, turn it over, and then we stewed it with some water for about 50 minutes on low to medium heat. So for now I'm just gonna heat this up in the microwave and eat. And for breakfast I just had a little bread, got some bread that we got yesterday. So this is just like, it's not dark bread, but it is somewhat dark. So this is the sausage kind of like bologna kind of like meat thing, and it's called полкопченая колбаса баянская. There was this butter, and some cheese, and this is just regular cheese. I don't know what kind of cheese it is. And then I had some milk, guys. I heat this milk in a cup for about a minute, maybe or two, and then I added the mix, 3-in-1 mix. This is like it has like the coffee and creamer and sugar in one. So Alright guys, so I'm gonna eat and wait for my headache to go away, and then I'll see, maybe I film later. Alright guys, before I eat, I actually want to show you the procedure I do with this cream. It smells like menthol, so it's really good, and a lot of times I don't want to use it because it messes my hair a little bit, but this time I actually have to. So the first part I use, well, it can differ. Like I usually put it, like I get it in my finger, and then I put it like around. I always forget. Actually, recently I came back to my home country and my mom actually showed me the way to do it, but before I kind of forget where to put it on my forehead, so I just go where it hurts. So before I kind of did what I remembered, so now I know more where to put it. So it's more like a holistic way, and it helps a lot. Like I did one time when I was in USA, and I could barely get up, and this is what helped me besides the Tylenol, because that's what I would use back in USA. I would use like liquid Tylenol or regular Tylenol, extra strength, and it would barely help me. So I used this what I had left over, what my mom sent me. So then I just put it here and here. It's basically like on here and here. So it's already helping. It's almost done, so I think it will be time to buy some more soon. So that is like, this is the second part. Then I'm gonna try to be like more saving, but I do need more, so this is not enough. So the next part will be close to this, like sinuses. So that and that right there. By the way guys, I try to eat something with these when I take this kind of stuff, as well as Tylenol. Take some food and eat with it, because I feel like it might be really tough on my stomach. So I like to do that. So it is kind of making my eyes to squint because of the menthol smell, but it's already helping. It's literally like helping a lot. So yeah, there, or you can use like both fingers. So I know you can't find that in the USA, but in some Russian stores, so like Russian pharmacies online that deliver in USA, if you find it, it's really great. Or if you travel to Russia, or if you live in Russia. So that is that. So the next part will be on my hands. So yeah, it's almost over. So this is where you put it, like on both ways, like both parts of your hand, and like in a circular motion like that. And there's this one right here, like between here, two fingers. I mean 2 fingers over one finger right here. The same on the other hand, but it's almost run out, unfortunately, so I don't have much left to put on here, but this is where I normally would put it. Here, right here, and also like over here. By the thumb, like over here on a bone here. It's like a little bone right here. There's nothing to put. And there's two more over here and on the back. So alright, it's empty, guys, so I'm gonna go eat and I'll see you guys way later, because I'm probably gonna lay down afterwards with my computer and edit some vlogs no matter what. Just kidding, maybe just lay down and sit in peace, or lay down with my computer. Bye guys, bye. Hi guys, it is much later. It's 11:09 p.m. guys, and I update on my migraine. It did not go away completely, so I did talk to my friend and I sat down a little bit in the computer, but it wasn't working a lot, so I just took another 2 of these guys, and I'm actually eating the Easter cake. I got it, so it's actually very soft. So guys, happy Easter. Oh my god, it's falling everywhere. That's good.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight.
Guys, I'm just drinking tea. This medication, and this is what I'm eating. It's very soft, so it's a soft breed, and this has like nuts on it. So
I'd still be, darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's
so after these guys, I'm gonna try to lay down and see if my headache goes away. But so yeah.
let's both hope that it don't get so dark. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel.
Guys, this is good. Especially like the edge of it. The very edge with these nuts. They're falling everywhere. They're falling on the floor. Good, guys.
Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you.
Alright, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go lay down, vlog a little bit. Sorry, edit vlogs a little bit. And I'll see you shortly later. I mean, it's getting late, so I'm probably gonna record tomorrow or before I go to bed today. So guys, I'll see you. See ya.
In my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walk down streets she's walked 1,000 times. Simpler times, I never cried when summer died. head will be hurting. I need you now, won't you comfort me? Would you fall for me? I will fall for you. Don't you make no mistake, 'cause I'm all for you. Now we back to chillin' in my crib now, and I know it feels right, and I know it feels right. I'ma curve all the girls in my life, 'cause you the one that feels right, you the one that feels right. Hit you in the spot when it's late night, I know when it feels right, I know when it feels right. Couldn't see me with nobody else, 'cause you the one that feels right, you the one that feels right. I'm so damn sorry about me. Head in the clouds so I couldn't see. Hope you see my heart clearly. Hope you forgive me for all the things I said, things I did, never meant for it. I meant that I need some time to grow. I don't wanna go to someone you don't know, you don't know. Would you fall for me? I will fall for you.
Марина, может быть, покушаем? Тут недалеко ресторан хороший, Галечка, туда? Алло, мам, я к тебе зашел, короче, все, домой везу. Тут недалеко ресторан хороший, Галечка, туда? Алло, мам, я к тебе зашел, короче, все, домой везу.
Мешать вроде с собой. Да, я сейчас настроение выпадет. Хватит срываться на мигрень.
Гайс.
Strawberry sheets on your bed. 6 months of dreaming of you. What could we have been if things had never changed? Remember the day I saw my toothbrush was gone. I thought you forgot me so quickly. You told me don't be sad. Now I'm crying in my room all alone. Tears on my notebook, writing this song. While I think about you. About you. I still think about you. Tired of telling myself I'm not in love with you. So I tried to find love online. Took your advice, passed the time. And every face I see reminds me of you. Now I'm crying in my room all alone. Tears on my notebook, writing a song. While I think about you. About you. I still think about you. Self, I'm not in love with you.
Такая пуша такая, на пуша. Вон она кто-то. Прыгнул вон он. Держи же. Там мой пуша. Пуша. Ты.
Маленький рыхсюсик. Ага. Рыхсюсик. Рык.